Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to withdraw money from your Wise account while in Ecuador. I'll cover the two simple ways, sending to a local bank account, or using your Wise debit card at an ATM. Let's get started. First option, send to a local Ecuadorian bank account. Open Wise on your browser or the app, choose the balance you want to withdraw, then click send and add the recipient bank details, account name, account number, and bank. Wise supports sending directly to Ecuadorian bank accounts, so money will arrive in the recipient's local account. Always double-check the account details before confirming. Second option, withdraw cash with your Wise debit card at an ATM. Make sure your Wise card is activated, then locate an ATM that accepts MasterCard/Visa. Insert the card, enter your PIN, and choose the local currency withdrawal option. Confirm the on-screen amount and any ATM operator fees before accepting the withdrawal. Wise lets you use the card at ATMs worldwide, but some ATMs add third-party fees, so always check the fee screen. Know the Wise ATM fee rules. You usually get 2 free ATM withdrawals per month up to a total of $100. After that you may pay a small fixed fee per withdrawal, and amounts over $100 can incur a percentage charge, so plan bigger withdrawals carefully. Check the exact limits and fees in your Wise app as they can vary by account and region. Quick step checklist on your Windows PC. Log into Wise and verify your identity if needed. For bank transfers, select Send, enter Ecuadorian bank details, confirm, and send. For ATM, use your activated Wise card, choose a nearby ATM, check on-screen fees, withdraw a small amount to test, then larger amounts if all looks good. Final tips, always do a small test transaction first, confirm the funds arrived in the local bank or your hand, and keep an eye on conversion rates and any local ATM fees. If anything looks off, contact Wise support through the Help Center. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.